Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the next part, that is the part 8 for the exponents and powers. So now let us see how to find the reciprocal of. So here we have this 1 by 2 raised to minus 2 divided by 2 by 3 raised to minus 3. So reciprocal means you are going to flip over. So this becomes 2 by 1. So when this becomes 2 by 1, this becomes a positive. Same, we'll keep the division sign over here. This gets flip over, so this becomes the 3 by 2 and this negative becomes positive 3. So now this we can do like this one, that will be 2 raised to 2 divided by 1 raised to 2. Division as it is, 3 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 3. So here 1 means that is going to be 1 itself, so we'll write it 2 by 2. This division becomes here multiplication. If this becomes multiplication, this will get flip over. That is, this will be the reciprocal. So this 2 by 3 will go in the numerator and 3 raised to 3 will come in the denominator. So this is 4 multiplied by 2 raised to cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. And 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that will be 27. So the answer is 32 by 27. Now see here, we have to find out this one, write these numbers in the scientific notation. Now whenever we want to write in this scientific notation, see now this is the number given. So what we have to do, we have to see that this is a number, don't think about the zero, this is a number 312. So whenever we have a number, we have to give a decimal point after one number. So now see here, this, suppose this is the, you have to give the decimal point over here. So what you are going to do, this decimal, you are going to shift it over here. So how many numbers did you shift to get this one over here? Because it should be 3.12. So 1, 2, 3. So move decimal point 3 places. Where you are moving, you are going from the left to right. So to the right. So what will you write here? This will be 3.12 into 10 raised to 3, because you have moved 3 places to the right. So it should be 10 raised to minus 3. See here, whenever you want to write this one, this is in the standard from the in scientific notation form. Write the numbers in scientific notation. Now again, see here, this is 542. Don't think about the zeros, means it should be 5.42. So this number should be shifted the point over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be 10 raised to minus 6. Again here means you are shifting 3 places to the, this here you are shifting 6 places to the right. Now see here, it should be 3.142. So this decimal is going to be shifted over here, 1, 2, 3. So it should be 10 raised to minus 3. Hope you got this one. Now that here it is given in the scientific one, you have to write it in the standard notation. So now here again the same, but here what you are going to do, this is 6 means it should be 6.0. So decimal is over here. That means you are going to shift how many? 5 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 places. So move decimal point 5 places to the left. So you will write 6 as here. Means 6, actually it is 6.0 right here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will move backwards to the left and then you are going to put a decimal and then 0. Now look at here, this is 9.6 and this is 8. So you will write 96. First thing, you are going to remove the decimal. You will write 96, but actually the point is here, it should be here, right? So now this is going, you are going to go backwards from here to, so you will write here 9.6 and here you are going to go backwards by 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to put a point over here. So this will be without a decimal and you're going to go backwards that many zeros and then put a decimal one. Now here 2.102 means it should be 2102. But it is, the point is here. So that means you are going to go here 3. So backwards 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to put a point over here. The number you're going to write here, 2102. 2102. 96, 9.6, here 96. This 6, here 6. Actually, it should be 6.0, but we usually write 6. So by this way, we have completed today's work. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you.